Hey everyone, my name is Julia, and I will be kind of taking you through this whole coding now for later, coding kindness project for the next few videos or weeks. So right now I kind of want to introduce you to what you're going to be what platform you're going to be using. So this is code.org. It's great, it's free. It's open to anyone. Making an account is free, and they have four main platforms that you can sort of use to learn to code. So there's Game Lab, AppLab, Artist, and Sprite Lab, and they have many more, but today we're kind of going to be focused on AppLab. So we're going to start getting into AppLab, which is easily accessible through the Create, or if you scroll down to the bottom of your code.org account. So what I kind of want to show you now is the little pieces that make AppLab. So starting off with design, personally, this is my favorite part. You could control your theme. So if you scroll down, it'll basically custom set the colors for you for all of the design elements. And it's important that you name each element. So for example, if you're adding a text input, you would just drag that in like so, rename it to whatever makes it helpful for when you go coding. Drop down, radio button, picture. They have great icons that you can use for free. Uh, Etc. You basically have total freedom when it comes to design. So, for example, if I wanted to change the theme to lemonade, it changed the theme of all the elements, and you can go into new screen. That's just a short gist. There's going to be more extended video on this. So then we have the user input controls, which is, for example, when you click a button or if you click a drop down. So that's sort of what this section is for. And again, there's going to be a new video sort of going in depth on what each of these is, but I kind of want to go over version history, a lot like Google Docs. If you want to go back to an initial version or just sort of see what the differences were, you have the ability here. You can also convert to text as you get more comfortable coding and you don't want to use the blocks anymore. And you can also gather data, but that's not something we're really going to be focusing on for this. So important, always rename your project. So this is video tester, since I'm using it to test the video. And to share your project, you could copy the link, and that would basically just give you an example of exactly what the app looks like. If it was on your phone, you could actually send it to your phone just by entering a phone number and add it to your home screen, which is really cool. Or if you want to make a duplicate, you hit remix. So that's sort of the basic rundown of that. Again, I'm going to be going over each section in more depth in a different video, but this is a good introduction to show you what's what.